One of my engineers, Nicholas Devine, called me the other night and said, I think I have an idea. I would like to create a set of face shields that would be very useful for healthcare worker and limit the contagion. And we have all the material available. We have 3D printers, we have a laser cutter. Let's try to basically set up this production. So far, this has been a great endeavor. We have produced more than 100 shields right now. And this has been possible because of the great collaboration we had so far with LECOM, especially with the collaboration with Dr. Mary Crow that we had for a long time, and a collaboration with St. Vincent Hospital, where we have interacted with Dr. Justin Carlson, which is the chair of the emergency medicine department, who was able actually to give us some very good tip in modifying our original design.
My name is Nicholas Devine. I'm the lab manager for the Biomedical and Industrial Systems Engineering Department. Since Gannon has moved to online classes, our labs are closed, so we decided that we had a lot of 3D printers lying around the campus, and there's a movement in the open source community to 3D print and laser cut out face shields for the hospitals to use. So we found some of their designs online, and since we have a lot of 3D printers and we have a laser cutter here in the Biomedical Engineering Department, we were able to start producing these. We collected the printers from a lot of the departments and brought them down into one lab, and now we're starting production. We're hoping to hit about 50 a day by the end of the week. We've been in touch with the Murawski School of Health and Science here at Gannon, and they've been coordinating an effort to donate a lot of their surplus supplies from their labs to local hospitals. So we got in touch with them and said that we can manufacture these. We've also been in touch with LECOM, Hammett, and St. Vincent, and talking to some of the professionals over there to see if they would have a need for these masks and how many they'd like to see.
Hello, this is Ryan Bookhammer from Fairview School District, and we are excited to be participating with Gannon University in developing masks for our medical community during this crisis time. We're excited as the Fairview School District to use the technology and the 3D printers throughout our maker spaces, our engineering rooms, to actually be used for the medical field and just to contribute to our community and our healthcare community.
As proud alumni and supporters of Gannon University, Industrial Sales and Manufacturing is pleased to lend its support in making masks for the hospitals of the community during this time of need.
First, I'd like to thank and congratulate our good friends and colleagues at Gannon, especially Dr. Taylor and his faculty, for using this emergent technology to satisfy this very great need in our community and the nation. Secondly, LECOM has made a modest contribution to help fund and fuel this process. We would hope to build on it in the future because working with our colleagues at Gannon and other institutions, we can all pitch in to help one another in this very difficult moment in our town, our city, our county, and our nation.
The world is in a crazy time right now. The coronavirus is certainly the first of its kind in creating this type of chaos in our country and in our community, and it is great to see the power of the Gannon family rallying around each other and rallying around our community to make a difference. So I want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for all that you are doing and all of you that are contributing to this project.
Right now, we are interested in having any kind of donations related to plastics, or if you want to have a monetary donation, you can go to the Gannon website and provide whatever you can to ramp up the production. We are setting up a pickup, and we are accepting requests for different kinds of healthcare workers or healthcare facilities that might be in need of these face shields. Thank you very much. And one thing that I can say is that this being a great teamwork, and teamwork makes a dream work. Thank you.